Hey, what's up, car enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an epic mod for all you Audi fans out there. A muffler and resonator delete on the sleek and stylish Audi A3. Buckle up, because we're about to unleash the beast and give this car a whole new voice. If you're into performance upgrades and that raw exhaust sound, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive awesomeness. Section 1. Why do a muffler and resonator delete? So, why would you want to delete the muffler and resonator on your Audi A3? Well, these components are designed to quiet down your exhaust, but let's be real. Sometimes you just want to hear that engine roar. By removing them, you're not only amplifying the exhaust note, but also reducing back pressure, which can give your A3 a slight boost in performance. Plus, it's a relatively simple mod that's budget-friendly compared to a full exhaust system. Let's get into it. Section 2, the process. Alright, let's talk about how this mod goes down. First, we jacked up the Audi A3 and secured it on stands to get under the car. Safety first, always. Then, we located the muffler and resonator in the exhaust system. The muffler's at the rear, and the resonator sits closer to the engine. Using basic tools like a wrench and a saw, we carefully cut these components out. Don't worry, we'll show you the exact spots in the clips. After that, we welded in straight pipes to reconnect the exhaust system, giving it that clean, uninterrupted flow. The whole process took about 2 hours in the shop. The Audi A3 now has a deep, aggressive growl that turns heads wherever you go. It's not just about the sound, though. You'll feel a slight improvement in throttle response, making this car even more fun to drive. On the downside, expect a bit more cabin noise, especially on long drives, but for most enthusiasts, that's a small price to pay for this kind of character. Section 4. Things to consider before you jump into this mod. A couple of things to keep in mind. First, check your local laws. Some places have strict regulations on exhaust noise. Second, a muffler and resonator delete might not be for you if you prefer a quieter ride. And finally, if you're chasing big power gains, you might want to pair this with other mods like a tune or an intake for maximum impact. Outro, call to action. And there you have it, folks. The muffler and resonator delete on the Audi A3, transforming it into a proper street beast. What do you think of that sound? Let us know in the comments below, and tell us what mod you're planning for your ride. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and check out our other videos for more car mod tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.